Let's start the video. Lisa Store collects 5% tax on every item sold. She collected $22 in tax, so 5% de impuesto. Si ella ya cobró $22 de impuesto, ¿cuánto vendió? How much did she sell if she collected $22 in taxes? So here, this one we'll go over it tomorrow or a little bit on Monday, but we can say $22 is 5%, right? Pero de qué número? Of what number? So that's the sentence we can write. Podemos escribir esta frase. So 22 equals, right? Is equals 5%. We're going to change it to this. Of is this. And what number? We can use x. Divide both sides by 0.5. 0.05, I'm sorry. Y 22 dividido por 0.05 is equal to 440. So, el total de vendas fue 440 y vendiendo 440 cobramos 22 de impuestos. So, we sold $440 and we collected $22 in taxes. I don't get it. All right, so you trabajas en una tienda que vende jackets, 50. And in February, vendiste 50 jackets. Your boss, tu jefe, dice que en March quieres que tú vendas 30% más. So, how many jackets tienes que vender en marzo para que vendas 30% más? So, 30%, we're going to change that to 0.3 and multiply it by 50. 0.3 times 50 es 15. So 30% de 50 es 15. So en marzo tienes que vender los 50 más 15 jackets, más 15 más jaquetas. So in March tú tienes que vender 65 jackets en total para que tenga un aumento de 30%. So you have an increase of 30%. 3. El coach compró 6 pies, 6 pizzas. 6 pies times 6.35 y le dio 18% de propina. So let's find out cuánto gastó él en la pizza. 6 times 6.35, $38 and 10 cents. So this is the food, la comida. The tax is, ¿cuánto? 18%, 18%. So 18% is 0.18. Times 38.1. So the tax is $6, so 858. We're going to change it to $6.86. So $6.86. So we add them up. 6, we'll put a 0 here. 9, 14, goes 1. $44.96 is tu total con el tax. 4. Jeans, compramos un jeans y vamos a revender. We bought a jeans and we're going to resell it. We bought the jeans, compramos por 140 and we're going to raise the price. Vamos a aumentar el precio por 55%. So 55%, we change to 0.55 and multiply that by 140. 0.55 times 140 is $77. So our jeans más el aumento, right? Aumento de 55%, which is $77. We'll put over here. And we're going to get 71217. So the total, con el aumento de 55%, right, is $217. 5, en un examen, cogiste 18 correcto de 28. You got 18 out of 28 correct on a test. So what percentage did you get? Well, this one is easy. You just really have to divide 18 divided by 28. And it's 0.642857. We're going to stop there. We're going to move the decimal 1, 2. It's going to become 64.29%. Aquí está tu nota. Next one, a snowmobile. Right, a snowmobile on vehicle de nieve, snowmobile. The price, the original price is 2,800 original. You have a discount of 20%, 20%. So that's 0.20, right? We're going to multiply por el precio original number. So that is going to give us $560. Here's your discount. Aquí está tu descuento. So come over here and subtract. So 2,800 minus 560 is 2,240. Aquí está el precio nuevo. Now we have to pay tax. A tax is 8.25% or 0.0825. We can multiply that by 2,240 times 0.0825. So el tax que va a pagar tu impuesto, $184.80. So, sumamos el impuesto, 184.80 plus 2240. So the total que pagas, 2,424.80 centavos. Seven, it's an simple interest problem. So interest is PRT. Ariel depositó 4,500 por 7 años, recibiendo 2.8%. ¿Cuánto tiene de dinero después de 7 años? So, how much money does she have after 7 years? She put 4,500. The interest rate is 0.028. And time, 7 years. Tiempo, 7 años. A ver, multiplique. So, she's going to make $882. So how much money does she have in total? Well, ¿cuánto dinero tiene total en la cuenta? The 4,500, el 4,500 que depositó, plus the interest, right? So the total that she has is 5,382. Ganó mucho dinero, ¿no? 8. Rick compró 3 camisas, 2 pares de media, un pantalón y el impuesto es 8.5%. ¿Cuánto pagó de total? So, 3 shirts, 3 camisas, 3 times 18, 54. 2 pair of socks, 2 pares de media. That gives us 7.98. And 1 pantalón, 1 pants, $45. So, ¿cuánto gastó él? How much did he spend? So, what is this? 916 goes 1. 106 is the total. Now we have to pay tax. So the tax is 8.5%, 0.085. We're going to multiply that by our total. El impuesto que vamos a pagar, 0.085 times 106.98 equals, the tax is $9.09. So el total is 17, 10, 16, $116.07. That's the total. Que aquí está el impuesto. Okay. Okay. At the beginning of the year, Wayne could type 30 words. At the end of the year, he could type 68 words. Al principio del año, Wayne podía teclar 30 palabras por minuto. So, el viejo número es 30. El nuevo, the new, mejoró mucho y puede teclar 68 palabras por minuto. ¿Qué porcentaje aumentó él? What percentage? What was the percent of increase? Well, he definitely got better, right? By what percent? So that's what we're looking for. So new, 68. Old, 30. Divide by 30. So just put that in your calculator. 68 minus 30 is 38. 68 minus 30 is 38 sobre 30. Dividing. 38 divided by 30. It's 1.266666666 forever and ever. We're going to change that to percent. Remember, hay que cambiar esto. Mueve el décimo 2 veces a la derecha. Move it 2 times to the right. 1, 2. We get 126.67%. Aumentó 126.67%. Another percent of change question, number 10. Un par de tenis, el precio viejo, the old price was $145. The new price is $105. ¿Cuál fue el descuento? How much discount? So we're going to go new minus old dividido por el old. So we get 105 minus 145 is negative 40 over 145. So we got to divide. So divide that and you get negative 0.27586, etc., etc. So we're going to change this. So negative, move this 2 spaces over, 27.59%, right? 59. María invested 3,000, depositó 3,000 en un banco por 5 años que le pagó 4.2%. P times R times T. So what's the principal? It's 3,000. What's the rate? 0.042%. And T, at time, is 5 años. Times 5. So, ¿cuánto ganó? How much did she make in interest? $600. How much does she have in the bank? How much? So she has 3,000 that she deposited, que depositó 5 años, 3,000 que depositó inicialmente, plus ganó 630. She made 630 in interest. So she has a total of 3,630. I don't even know where I am anymore. 12. Jason buys a video game. It's $134.95. We have to pay tax, so let's calculate the tax. The tax is 7%, 7%, or 0.07, times 134.95. 0.07 times 134.95 is 9.44465. We're going to change it to 945. So aquí está el tax. Right? Then we have to pay $10 for shipping. Tenemos que pagar $10 por el envío. Eso es $10 nada más. So, what's the total? 134.95 plus 9.45 más $10 de envío. So the total is $144, $54.40. 13, iPhone. So the iPhone was $699. There's a 25% discount, so let's find the discount. So discount is 25%, or 0.25, multiplied by $699, and you get $174.75. So we have to restar esto, 174.75. So we get $524.25, a new price. Then we have to pay tax, infelizmente, 8% tax, 0.08 times el nuevo precio, 524.25. And we get $41.94 in tax. So here's my tax, $41.94. 91665. So here's your total, 516 and 19 cents. 566 and 19 cents. 14, another video game, 10% off and tax. So again, same thing. $49.95 is a video game. 10% discount, 10% de descuento. So this is going to give me 4.995. So we're going to round this to 5. So here's your discount. $5. So we're gonna get, so the new price, el precio nuevo después de descuento es $44.95. Now we're gonna pay tax 6.5% or 0.065 times $44.95 times 0.065 equals $2.92. So here's the tax. 718.74. So the total is 47.87. Okay. 15. It's Annie y 5 amigas plus 5 friends. So son total de 6 personas, 6 people. Van a cenar. They go to dinner. The food was $158.23. So let's find the tax and then let's do the tip. So the tax was 8%. So 0.08 times 158.23. A ver cuánto es eso. So the tax is $12.60. So if you get that, it's 12.6584, or it becomes $12.66. The tip is 20%, or 0.20 times 158.23. And the tip is 31,646 or 31.65. Ahí está el tip. Now we add, sumamos todo, ¿no? We add everything. And we get $202.54. But remember, we have to divide, tenemos que dividir eso por 6. We're going to divide that by 6. Y cada una tiene que pagar, everybody has to pay $37.76. Okay? Vamos a partir el total dividido por 6. Okay, we got a few more. All right, we already done that. 16 is important. So the TV at the store lo están vendiendo. They're selling it for $5.25. Nobody's buying it. Nadie lo está comprando, so lo van a descontar un poquito. So what's the discount? 30%. So $5.25, so 30%, right? Es 0.30. So a ver cuánto es el descuento. 0.3 times 5.25. So bajaron el precio. $157.50. 50 cents. Minus 5.25. So el nuevo precio, the new price of the TV, is $367.50. All right. So bajaron el precio, and then they said, "Oh, bajamos mucho. We decreased it too much. Bajamos el precio de la televisión por mucho. La tienda va a subir el precio. The store is gonna increase the price by 25%. Va a aumentarlo por 25%. So 25% is 0.25. We're gonna multiply by this number here, 367.5. A ver cuánto te sale. So we're going to raise, la tienda va a aumentar el precio otra vez. $91. Se transforma en $91.88. So aquí está. Lo bajaron mucho, entonces aumentan otra vez. They raise the price again. Okay. So the final price, or the new price, is $459.38. Okay, so $17, the Garcia family fueron comer. All right, so el impuesto fue 7.25%, the tax 7.25%, and the tip was 15%. So vamos a calcular el total de la comida. Let's figure out the food. So comieron 6.25, 7.50 for Miss G. Dos niños, cada uno comieron una pizza, so $4.99 por un niño, $4.99 por la otra pizza. Let's add this up. So the food el total de la comida, $23.73. So now we have to add tax and tip para ver total. So the tax is 0.0725 times la comida, 23.63. So the tax is $1.72. The tip, again, 0.15 times times 23.73. And the tip, la propina, is $3.5595 or $3.56, right? So there's your tip. All right, so 23.73 plus 1.72 más 3.56. The total de la cena, $29.01. Okay, 18 I'm going to skip because I want to talk about that later. 19. Bill and his friends, Bill y sus amigos fueron a comer, otra vez la misma cosa, comida, tax and tips. La comida, hamburgers, 2 hamburgers, 2 hamburguesas, $5.49. Chicken sandwich, $6.25. Ribs, costillas, $12.99. And 4 sodas, $1.75. So 4 sodas, $1.75. Aquí está la orden de la comida. Let's add them up. Plus 5.49, plus 6.25, plus 12.99, plus. So the total de la comida is this. So food, 37.22. We gotta do the tax. And we gotta do the tip. So the tax is ¿cuánto? 7%. So 7%, 0.07 times 37.22. It's gonna give the tax is $2.61. Right? The tip is 20%, la propina, and it's going to be 0.20 multiplicado por la comida, and we're going to get $7.44 es la propina, $7.44. So, nada más falta sumar. So, we're going to go 37.22 plus 2.61 plus 7.44. The total, $47.27. Aquí está el total. Okay. All right, 20, I'm going to skip. 21. Tom quiere ganar 2,400 de comisión vendiendo 30,000 con vendas de 30,000. ¿Cuál porcentaje tenemos que pagar a él para que él pueda ganar 2,400? So, commission percent times sales, right? Un vendedor es un vendedor, él vendió 30,000 de vendas y quiere llevar a la casa 2,400. ¿Cuál es el porcentaje que la tienda tiene que pagar de él? So if he wants to make 2,400, selling $30,000, how much should his percentage be commission, right? The commission rate. So he wants the commission of 2,400. The percentage, I'm going to settle down, I'm going to write P, okay? Las vendas, sales is 30,000. So let's divide that by 30,000. Divide that by 30,000. So P, the percentage que tiene ganar él, 2,400 divided by 30,000 equals 0.08. And we're going to move this right to the right 2 times. La tienda tiene que pagar él 8% de las vendas, 8% of the sales. Okay?